Hi, I'm Brandon Wolf. I am a certified PYFP trainer, and in this video, I'm going to show you the correct way to do a push-up. Lay face down with your hands under or slightly wider than shoulders. Straighten legs and back with toes tucked under. Push up off the mat with arms until arms are straight. Lower body until elbows bent at 90 degrees. Continue to rhythm of cadence. Assessment ends at second correction. Here are the form breaks for the 90-degree push-up. One form break would be that the student does not get to a 90 degree. Another way a student has a form break is if they go to their knees. Another form break in the 90-degree push-up is as they're doing the push-up, they're in a mountain stance or also in a valley stance. And the last way you can have a form break for the 90-degree push-up is that the student does not stay with the cadence of the music. Here are some visuals for the 90-degree push-up. These visuals are very nice for students so that helps them understand 90 degree on the elbows. One of the pieces of equipment you might be able to use is a dome cone. If you set the dome cone next to the student and the student starts doing their push-ups, they know that they can get to 90 degree by the feel of the cone. If the cone doesn't work because it's the wrong size, you're more than welcome to find a gator skin ball. Same idea, you set the ball there, and the student then, when they feel the ball and they know that they're reaching 90 degree on their elbows.